This Sunday morning we are going to let Alpha 1 bot run at expert option. I will let it take 3 trades on 5-second close. Let's see how we can do. I am myself super mega tired, but the good thing when you have an artificial intelligent bot that can run for you, you don't need to think that much yourself. So now let's start with the bot and let's see how we do. If you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this bot for yourself, you find a link about the video at X, a link below the video at YouTube. Works both on cell phone and on desktop, and the best of all, there are also a promo code that gives you 150% on your first deposit, so make your first deposit count. Now let's start the bot and let's see how we do. So it's now just to push the start button. He will now start to look for trade. He already have taken a trade here now. He take a sell trade. That one seems to go beautifully. And we can go down here so we can follow the stats. So here we have our first trade in and it's a win. He's taking his second trade. That one is a win also. We just need one more win now and we are golden for this Sunday and we can just relax the rest of the day. Also, if you have any question, just leave them below the video. I'll reply to every single question you have. And there you have it. Just like that. We just woke up, pushed the start button on the bot, and we made $243 in matter of seconds. So, if you want it, it's completely for free. Link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Make sure you like this video if you like this type of videos. With that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.